Kyle Pablo, si Kat Arado, offense versus defense. Pero syempre, yung showdown ni Brooke Van Sickle at ni Savvy Davison. And here we go. Savvy with the first ball and the first point today.
Yep.
Welcome back, Savvy. Two conferences.
Yeah.
Yung reinforced at yung invitational, wala din. Di sila naglaro. So this is a good welcome back. Just the third time that Savvy and Brooke will be meeting each other. Two apiece. And Palma. This time Savvy was there and she goes up for the ding.
Yeah. Yung ginawa ni Savvy, but ang layo ng defense na yun.
That's a good first ball by Brooke. Erika Santos, and that is outside, hitting it off the hands.
PLDT high-speed hitters. Well, of course, top of the list is bagging the win since last game na nga nila ito for the year. They wanna end on a high note para ma-enjoy talaga ang pahinga at maganda ang pasok.
We're closer now, just a 1-point lead for PLDT. Davison, same thing. On the other side, also going for that corner. And soft one. Oh, sayang yun. That was an easy one. Maiso Contillas just really put it up.
Hindi kagad nakapwesto si Janelle and asking for the help kay Rem to set that ball.
Oh, that one got away. Van Sickle with a save. Alcantara to Del. One more chance for PLDT. Here comes Savvy. And good idea for Eric Santos. And she's in the front. Let's see if this is it. What a pancake
Yeah,
save.
good save.
Yun, pasok na naman.
Yeah.
Zone 6 this time.
But 6 points advantage for this first set.
Catarado setting up Savvy. Off speed. Easy for Petrogas. Wow! There's the matchup that we have been anticipating.
And that was her first point for this game. Take a look at that. Target.
Watch all the action live, on demand, and on any device. Download and register for free. Lots of sports on Pilipinas Live. And that is 8 points already for Savvy. Van Sickle with the receive. Targeting Savvy once again.
Look at that again. It was actually not a strong hit from Brooke. Ang ganda lang ng placement.
Good first ball by Savvy. And that's off the hands. Erika Santos letting it go. Oh, that was a tough serve. A floater. And they score. That's a point.
Yeah, take a look at that again. Targeting short ball. Layo ni...
And Davison is blocked, but that's outside. So
Yeah.
that's a point from Savvy.
So for the first set, actually, PLDT was able to convert 15 points.
Del Palomata is the second best blocker in the league so far. On top is Majoy Baron, both from PLDT. Forte ni Del.
But actually, strong angle din to ni Brooke. Hindi nila na-sustain yung maganda nilang galaw nung first set.
Oh!
Oh, still alive.
Great save there by Baby Love. Ayun! Ang bilis ng pangyayari. And that is what's Savvy.
Parang double hit,
Oo.
but okay lang dahil tignan mo naman yung attack na yon ni
Angelica Alcantara serving.
Good first ball from Brooke.
Oh, good block.
One more chance for Sabete. Palomata can't get past her. PLDT again on offense, and that is Savvy Davison with her 11th point today so far.
Take a look at that. Talagang parang yung puntos na nakukuha doon ng Petrogas. So PLDT needs to adjust their defense pattern.
Ceballos again, dug by Sabete. Good read by Temperatura. Van Sickle with that cross court.
Yeah. Deserves a second look. But take a look at that save muna ni Tempiatura.
As they lead by 8. And Sickle back-to-back, this time down the line, humahabol.
Variating her attack. Ang laki ng opening na yun sa down the line block. Kaya naman,
Problema ng PLDT, alam din ng Petrogas yun. So they are just playing fluid. They are playing very loose, Petrogas, in the second set. And in system as well. And Sickle. Good up by Tempiatura. One more time for Brooks. Hitting it off the hands of Del Palomata.
but that was a very smart move dahil targeting the hands of Del Palomata. Nag-outside pa yon.
And Sheila Casero, let's see if she was iced or that's a good serve. So unbothered by that timeout. And Sickle with her own save. She goes up one more time. Talagang bigyan mo lang ng bigyan. Isubo lang na isubo kay
Brooke, na-block siya nung una, but nasingit pa niya yun sa angle.
25-12 for PLDT naman, for those of you who missed it. Uy!
Again.
Ganda naman nun.
Yeah. But Majoy attempted to get that one, but yun na nga, hindi naman red.
The difference between the first and second sets, no, kahit ganun yung blowout, nakita natin nung simula, nagbabalikan pa ang PLDT Petrogas. But in the second set, PLDT never led.
Sila yung palagi naghahabol hanggang sa wala na, ang layo na ng point.
Setter Janelle Cheng for the distribution here. Looking at the stat sheets, dalawa na yung double digits, si Pablo and si Van Sickle.
Nice reverse.
No, but an even better block by PLDT. That's what they have to remember, that they are, kailangan pairalin din nila yung kanilang ability to score off the block. Later tonight, we will be seeing Cherry Tigo going up against Akari, but the game at hand, very interesting. As Kyla said, we want to see how this will pan out, with both teams just dropping each other in the first two sets. Diba? 25-12 for Petrogas in set 1, 25-14. Petrogas, lumalamang na naman. Lumalaking kalamangan.
4 points so far ang lamang ng Petrogas.
And you remember, PLDT started off with a lead in this third set.
Yeah. Ngayon, 5 puntos na ang lamang ng...
Also, Van Sickle making her move, gaining on. She tried this earlier as well. Let's see if it'll make a difference now. Van Sickle, soft, well read by PLDT. Davison, and Barbon could not keep that in play.
Kanina, 5 points na lamang ng Petrogas, but onti-onti dumidikit itong PLDT. 3 points na lang.
Zambalio has good first ball. Davison going cross court. Ang lalim.
Yeah.
Did for that. Nakita din natin in reverse yun. Against Savvy, and now it's the other way around. One more time on this spike of the set. Brought to you by Duncan. Quick, picked up by Cheng. Sabete timing it. Davison again, hitting it off the hands of Ref Palma.
Brooke Van Sickle. Yeah, she was the one blocking Savvy sa down.
Brooke Van Sickle.
Had she waited for it to cross the threshold, no? Then
Pwede yun.
Oy! Ganda naman ang basa ni Tempiatura doon. Davison. Then picked up by Janelle Cheng. Myla Pablo sending it over.
Too tight.
And play continues. Davison with a kill.
Yeah.
Same old.
Again, cross court. Ang ganda lalong taas sa kanya. Not too near the net. Kasi grabe naman din yung talon ni
And before he goes on board for our next game, that's between Cherry Tigo and the Curry Chargers. Uy! Nakawala kay Kat Arado.
A good first ball.
Off speed.
Yeah.
Last second.
And the fact na ang laki ng opening dun sa cross court, usually papaluin mo na lang ng malakas yun. but soft hit works well.
Van Sickle going full force for that one.
Si Brooke at si Davison parehong madalas sineseta ng mga setters.
But it's Petrogas maintaining that 4-point lead. Inching closer to that 25-point mark. Davison again, this time picked up by Tepiatura, who has been fantastic as the other libero for Petrogas. And a little confusion there. That was Antoinette Adolfo also seeing action here.
15 out.
Well, to see if it gets it ahead of Myla Pablo, no problem. But Carrado with a good first ball. Here's a chance for Petrogas. Are they going to get this third set? That's what Van Sickle wants, and that's what she gets.
Yeah, too easy na dumating sa Petrogas yung bola. So, wag nang hayaan makahabol ang PLDT sa kanilang score. But
Davison going for Janelle Cheng that time, going down the line.
She noticed a significant boost in her confidence. Prior to this game, sabi nga niya sa akin, unti-unti ko nang nababalik kung sino ako at kung paano yung laro ko dati.
But that one proved to be very effective for Petrogas Angels.
Davison again, off speed, perfect touch, just the right amount. One, sarap ulitin. Oh, floater. Good first ball by Savvy.
Santos.
But a quick read there, Savvy Davison.
Running attack. Well read by Ceballos.
Oh, good block.
Back row attack. Good up by Mika Reyes. And Savvy with a push from the back. One more time on that. Get the win and get ahead in the standings.
Oo, and this is the last game of the PLDT high-speed hitters before our Christmas break. So, baka mas gusto nilang manalo for this game bago sila mag-holiday break.
So, has other plans. And she has 17 points. And bind here, they have to win this set to play on. Davison going cross court and catching Myla Pablo off guard there. 24 points for Savvy Davison today.
Yeah, ang layo ng set na yon.
3-point advantage for the Angels, and they're also up 2-1. Davison with a roll. Cheng looking for Van Sickle. Almost a non-play. Oh, Pablo got a hand on it this time, but still couldn't keep it in the court. Tsaka ano din to, parang Energizer Bunny. She is also a, di ba, pagka nasa court siya, nabubuhay lahat. And that is outside off the hands of Petrogas. So talagang matira matibay dito. Fatigue and the longevity and the fresh legs, lahat yan kailangan i-consider ng mga teams.
Oh,
Single
block. Take a look at that reverse set. But guarding that cross court.
Blockers, and it has been a non-factor for them, at least in the last couple of sets.
Yeah. Quick side out for Petrogas. So for Van Sickle, basta nasa front row siya, madami din siya nakukuhang puntos for them.
Again, going deep. Alcantara looking for Jovi Prado. Temperatura with a save. Van Sickle. Dug by Catarado there. Prado. And lambasa ni Van Sickle. Sabete. And look at everybody on the floor just going for the balls. Great saves, both squads. Uy! Pero lumabas yun. But A for effort for Catarado. Screens there. And she has 20 points.
Take a look at that long ball. Medyo na late dun sa...
Van Sickle taking care of that one. She goes for the hit and across court. 21 for Brooke.
21
for Petrogas.
That was a good first ball, but sa kanya sinet ni Janelle.
Middles getting in on the action, and that's something that PLDT needs to also do. Davison, the old reliable, with 27 points.
Using the hands of her blockers. Middle by Jonas Abetes, sending their team to match point.
Davison cross court. Pablo tried. Oh,
Ball is out.
and si Temperatura talaga.
20.
Ay, will just
Oo.
do whatever it takes to keep the ball in play.
But mataas pa naman yung bola, but hindi na late lang siya
Out 5.
ng habol, kaya nag-outside din
18 out.
sa behind the antenna yung save.
Oh, this is still